You want to learn English fast? This video is for you. Hello. Today, I'm teaching you and dear Flo how to talk like a native speaker using a technique called shadowing. Just listen and repeat. Let's go. I wake up around 7. Not too early, not too late. I just lie in bed for a minute, staring at the ceiling, thinking, do I really have to get up? My phone's right next to me. Of course, I check it first thing. Messages, Instagram, maybe a few memes. Yeah, not the healthiest habit. I know. Then I stretch a little. My back always cracks. Sounds like popcorn. It feels so good though. That's my body saying, okay, let's start the day. I walk to the kitchen, half asleep. Coffee is my first goal. I don't even talk before coffee. Like, don't ask me anything yet. While the coffee's brewing, I open the window and feel the air. Okay, what did you write?
I wake up around 7, not too early, not too late.
Okay, we have something called intonations, okay?
Yeah.
When you are saying the sentences, some words should be high, I mean your voice, and some words should be low.
Yeah.
You can't shout in the middle of the sentence. If you want to shout, if you want to raise your voice, it has to be at the beginning of the sentence, okay? For example, this sentence, repeat again.
I wake up around 7.
It's not wake, it's wake. Say it.
Wake.
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 Yeah. I wake up.
I wake up.
See? I wake up.
I wake up
Around 7.
around 7.
Like, you have to show the word around. Like, I wake up around 7.
Around 7.
Yeah. Not with your head.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I wake up around 7.
Around 7.
See, we have something called facial expressions. You have to express your feelings in your face. I mean, they have to see that you are saying around, like ish, like 7-ish. We have like this grammar, like this phrase, like ish. You can add it at the end of everything.
Yeah.
And it means around, like 7-ish. And you can use this a lot in the US.
Yeah.
Okay, next sentence.
Not too early, not too late.
Okay, not too early, not too late. It means around. It means you are not sure
Yeah.
that something is like done. You are sure that something is not 100%. Not, see my face? Not too early, not too late. See?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, repeat. Not too early, not too late.
Not too early, not too late.
Yeah. Now, one more time, all together.
Yeah.
I wake up around 7. Not too early, not too late.
I wake up around 7, not too early, not too late.
Perfect.
Okay.
Now let's continue. Some mornings it's warm and calm. Some mornings It's cold and wakes me up fast. I grab my cup, take a sip, and finally, I feel alive. It's funny how one drink can fix your whole mood. Coffee's basically my morning friend. Sometimes I put on music. Nothing loud, just soft, chill songs. It makes the morning feel slower, like I've got all the time in the world. Then I check my to-do list. I always write things down. It helps me feel less lost, even if I don't do half of it later. Breakfast depends. If I'm in a rush, just toast and peanut butter. If not, maybe eggs or some fruit. I try to eat healthy, but not always. While eating, I like to just sit quietly. Okay, hit me up. What did you write?
Coffee is basically my morning friend.
Yeah, I said it, but the word, it's actually basically.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Repeat.
Basically.
Yeah, basically.
Basically.
Yeah, the stress is on the first syllable, not the second syllable. Basically.
Basically.
Yep.
Okay.
Coffee is basically my morning friend. Say it. Coffee is basically
Coffee is basically
my morning friend.
my morning friend.
Good?
Yeah.
Now your turn. Say it. Coffee is basically my morning friend. Perfect. Now one more time, but faster. Coffee is basically my morning friend. One more time. Coffee is basically my morning friend. Perfect. Now, what did you write? Tell me.
Take a sip and finally feel alive.
Yep. But no. Take a sip. Sip means a little. Like take a sip. Like just one sip.
Take a sip.
Yeah. Take a sip.
Sip. Take a sip.
Yeah. Something between a and like e. It's not seep. You know. It's not seep.
Okay.
That's not double E, you know. So take a sip
Take
and
a sip and finally feel alive.
I feel alive. It's not feel, you know. Feel, like we have a name, like Phil Dunphy,
Yeah.
you know.
Okay.
But when you feel something, it's you know, you're feeling something, you're feeling broken, you're feeling alive, you know. But yeah, that's with double E, and that with PHI, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I feel alive. Again, you have to show it in your body, gestures, facial expressions, postures, everything. You know? Alive. Say it.
Alive.
No. Alive.
Alive.
Yeah. Again. So let me just read the whole sentence.
Take a sip and finally feel alive.
Feel.
Feel. Finally feel alive.
Yeah, but don't pause. Again.
Take a sip and finally feel alive.
Yes, perfect. Now your turn. Repeat after me. Take a sip and finally I feel alive. Take a sip and finally I feel alive. Perfect. So, what did you write again?
I always write things down.
I always write things down.
Things down.
Yeah, I always write things down. Yes. It means you write.
Yeah.
Yeah, you write everything. But when you want to say that, hey, I wrote it, it's better to say, hey, I wrote it down. I always write things down, you know? Write it down on the paper. You know? So, yeah.
I always write things
Yeah,
down.
it's not always, you know, it's always. See? Repeat after me.
I always.
Not always. No, I wanted to tell you. It's always.
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 It's something between a and o.
I always.
All. See, you're pronouncing it. You have to pronounce it with here.
Yeah.
All. Say all. No, you're saying all.
All.
You have to talk with here.
Always.
No, with here. You're saying always.
Yeah.
Always.
Always.
Yeah. Acceptable.
Okay.
Good. Great. And yeah, I always.
Oh, I always write things down.
Things.
Things.
Not things.
Things.
Things. Write things down. Actually, lots of students, they are mispronouncing this actually word.
Yeah.
Thing. And they're saying ting, or some people, they say sing. So yeah, it's thing.
Things.
Thing, yes, which pronounces like this. And yeah, perfect. Okay, now it's your turn. You have to watch this video again and repeat what I said. And it's better to write everything down on the paper. Okay, that was all for today. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure also to send this video to one of your friends. Have a great day or night. Bye.
Bye.